Welcome to Auto Car, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Toyota Mark II, an iconic nameplate that has made a stunning return. This model blends history with modern innovation, redefining luxury and performance. Let's begin by exploring the exterior of this remarkable vehicle. The 2025 Toyota Mark II boasts a bold and dynamic design. It carries forward the legacy of its predecessors while incorporating modern aesthetics. At the front, the wide grille is flanked by sleek, adaptive LED headlights, giving the car an aggressive yet elegant stance. The sculpted hood features subtle contours that enhance aerodynamics, creating a sense of movement even at a standstill. From the side, the Mark II displays a streamlined silhouette with a low-slung profile. Chrome accents run along the window line, adding a touch of sophistication. The car rides on 19-inch alloy wheels with a multi-spoke design that complements its sporty character. A distinctive crease along the door panels enhances its muscular appeal. At the rear, the Mark II features slim, wraparound LED taillights connected by an illuminated light bar, emphasizing the car's width. The integrated spoiler and dual exhaust outlets not only add to the sporty look but also enhance performance. The exterior paint options include classic shades like pearl white and obsidian black, along with bold colors such as sapphire blue and crimson red, ensuring there's a choice for every taste. Now, let's step inside the cabin of the 2025 Toyota Mark II. Here, luxury meets technology in perfect harmony. The interior is a showcase of premium materials, including leather upholstery, brushed aluminum accents, and soft touch surfaces. The dashboard design is clean and minimalistic, centered around a massive 14-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The driver's seat is a haven of comfort and control, offering power adjustments, lumbar support, and a heated option. The digital instrument cluster provides customizable displays for navigation, performance stats, and more. Ambient lighting runs along the doors and dashboard, creating a serene atmosphere, especially during night drives. In terms of space, the Mark II offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers, making it a great choice for long journeys. The rear seats are equally luxurious, with optional heating and reclining features. A panoramic sunroof floods the cabin with natural light, enhancing the overall sense of openness. Underneath its stunning design lies a legacy that dates back to the 1960s. The Toyota Mark II has been a symbol of reliability, performance, and luxury for decades. With this 2025 iteration, Toyota has managed to honor its rich history while embracing the future. As for the price, the 2025 Toyota Mark II starts at $45,000, depending on the trim and additional features. While this places it in the premium segment, the features and craftsmanship justify the investment. From its striking exterior to its refined interior, the 2025 Toyota Mark II is a masterpiece of design and engineering. It carries forward a legacy while setting new standards for luxury sedans. If you're in the market for a car that combines history, style, and performance, the Mark II deserves a spot on your list. Thank you for watching Auto Car. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest cars. See you in the next video.